Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to add a callout comment box in your PDF file using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Now select this review option and here you will find this callout option. Click here. Now put your callout box here and callout arrow. Now click on this arrow. You can move anywhere a callout arrow and increase, decrease. See this. Now click on this box and type your text and click on this callout box format and this properties option. You can change this callout box color and this border color and click on this text box and drag and mouse select your text. Also you can change this text color and say this and make this is in this way you can add callout box to a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.